Post-process effects can be pretty cool to work with as they affect the whole image that the user can see. But did you know you can add multiple effects into one post-process material and toggle them via the Custom Depth-Stencil Pass? To start, make sure you have Custom Depth-Stencil Pass enabled with stencil in the project settings. Add a material to be used as our post-process. Can already link it in the post-process materials. Before we jump to the nodes, set the material domain as post-process. Then, get a scene texture node with post-process input 0. Use only the needed RGB values. And in this case, I also wanted to desaturate the world around to make the contrast of the new effects even more visible, something akin to the world palette you see in Mirror's Edge. The combination of checking for a specific value for the stencil and the lerp nodes help us chain these events without triggering them all at once. Let's try them out. As we change the stencil value, you see an effect gets applied. This logic also works at runtime. Tune in every week for quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching.